Good morning. Please introduce yourself and explain why you are applying for the chief engineer position on our container vessel.
Good morning, sir. My name is Ciro. I am a licensed chief engineer with extensive experience in managing ship machinery, supervising engine room operations, and leading multinational engineering teams. I am applying for this position because I want to contribute my expertise in maintaining safe, efficient, and environmentally compliant operations while ensuring the vessel meets commercial schedules and technical standards.
What are the main responsibilities of a chief engineer on a container ship?
The chief engineer is responsible for the overall management of the engine department, including safe operation, maintenance, and repair of all machinery. I ensure compliance with international regulations, supervise engineers and ratings, manage budgets, and coordinate with the master to guarantee smooth vessel operations.
How do you manage a multinational engineering team?
I establish clear communication in English, respect cultural differences, and set professional standards. I conduct daily meetings, assign tasks based on competence, and encourage teamwork. I also mentor junior engineers to build confidence and technical skills.
What is your leadership style?
My leadership style is firm but supportive. I believe in discipline, accountability, and safety, but I also motivate my team by recognizing achievements and providing guidance. I lead by example, showing professionalism and dedication.
How do you handle conflicts among crew members?
I listen to both sides, remain neutral, and focus on facts. I remind the crew of company policies and safety culture. If necessary, I escalate the matter to the master, but I always aim to resolve issues amicably to maintain harmony.
What is your role in coordinating with the captain?
I provide technical updates, report machinery status, and advise on fuel consumption and maintenance schedules. I support the captain in decision-making by ensuring the vessel's propulsion and auxiliary systems are reliable.
Explain the operation of a main engine on a container ship.
The main engine is a slow-speed two-stroke diesel engine that drives the propeller directly. I ensure proper fuel injection, lubrication, cooling, and scavenging. I monitor parameters such as exhaust temperature, cylinder pressure, and vibration to maintain efficiency.
How do you manage planned maintenance?
I use the PMS system to schedule tasks, assign responsibilities, and record completion. I prioritize critical machinery, plan spare parts ordering, and coordinate with shore management to align maintenance with dry dock schedules.
What is your procedure during a blackout?
I immediately initiate emergency generator startup, stabilize essential systems, and investigate the cause. I coordinate with engineers to restore power safely, ensuring communication with the bridge is maintained.
How do you ensure fuel efficiency?
I monitor fuel consumption, optimize engine load, and adjust speed in consultation with the captain. I maintain purifiers, clean filters, and ensure proper combustion. I also implement energy-saving devices and practices.
Explain the importance of lube oil analysis.
Lube oil analysis detects wear particles, contamination, and chemical degradation. It helps prevent machinery failure by identifying problems early. I send samples regularly to shore labs and act on recommendations promptly.
What is your role in ISM code compliance?
I ensure engine room operations follow documented procedures, conduct risk assessments, and maintain records. I train crew on safety drills and report non-conformities to the company for corrective action.
How do you prepare for PSC inspection?
I ensure machinery is clean, records are updated, and safety equipment is functional. I brief engineers, check oil record book entries, and verify MARPOL compliance. I accompany inspectors and answer technical questions confidently.
What is your responsibility under MARPOL regulations?
I ensure no illegal discharge of oil, sewage, or garbage. I maintain pollution prevention equipment, record operations in logbooks, and train crew on environmental awareness. Compliance is non-negotiable.
How do you manage engine room safety?
I enforce PPE use, permit to work procedures, and lockout-tagout systems. I conduct toolbox meetings, monitor hot work, and ensure firefighting equipment is ready. Safety culture is my top priority.
What is your role in emergency drills?
I lead engine room teams during fire, blackout, or flooding drills. I ensure everyone knows their duties, practice realistic scenarios, and evaluate performance. Drills prepare us for real emergencies.
How do you support reefer container operations?
I ensure generators provide stable power, monitor reefer alarms, and coordinate with deck officers. I assign engineers to check connections and troubleshoot faults to protect cargo integrity.
What is your role during cargo loading?
I ensure auxiliary machinery such as cranes, pumps, and compressors are operational. I monitor power demand and adjust generators accordingly. I also support ballast operations to maintain stability.
How do you handle machinery breakdown during cargo operations?
I quickly assess the fault, assign engineers to repair, and provide alternative solutions. I communicate with the captain to minimize delays and ensure safety is not compromised.
What is your role in ballast operations?
I supervise pump operation, monitor tank levels, and ensure compliance with ballast water management regulations. I coordinate with deck officers to maintain vessel stability.
How do you manage reefer container failures?
I assign engineers to check electrical supply, troubleshoot compressors, and reset alarms. If necessary, I arrange for spare parts or replacement units. Protecting cargo is critical.
How do you handle fire in the engine room?
I activate alarms, shut down fuel supply, and deploy firefighting systems such as CO2. I lead the team in containment, ensure communication with the bridge, and prioritize crew safety.
What is your role during flooding?
I identify the source, activate bilge pumps, and isolate compartments. I coordinate with the captain for damage control and prepare for possible evacuation if flooding is uncontrollable.
How do you manage machinery failure at sea?
I assess the situation, implement temporary repairs, and adjust voyage speed. I communicate with shore management for technical support and spare parts. My priority is safety and continuity of operations.
What is your role during collision or grounding?
I secure machinery, check for damage, and prepare emergency systems. I assist the captain in damage assessment and ensure pollution prevention measures are in place.
How do you handle oil spill emergencies?
I activate SOPEP procedures, deploy containment booms, and stop discharge. I report to authorities and cooperate with shore response teams. Preventing environmental damage is crucial.
Why did you choose to become a chief engineer?
I wanted to lead technical operations, ensure safety, and contribute to global shipping. The role allows me to use my expertise while mentoring future engineers.
What motivates you in this career?
I am motivated by responsibility, teamwork, and the challenge of keeping complex machinery running. I take pride in ensuring safe voyages and supporting global trade.
What is your long-term career goal?
My goal is to continue serving as chief engineer, contribute to company success, and eventually move into shore-based technical management to share my experience.
How do you stay updated with technology?
I attend training courses, read technical journals, and follow AMO updates. I also learn from shipyard visits and collaborate with manufacturers.
What do you enjoy most about working at sea?
I enjoy the challenge of managing machinery, the teamwork with multinational crew, and the satisfaction of completing voyages safely and efficiently.
Explain your role in dry dock preparation.
As chief engineer, I prepare a comprehensive list of machinery requiring inspection, repair, or overhaul. I coordinate with the shipyard, classify society, and company technical department to ensure all tasks are scheduled.
I verify spare parts availability, prepare work orders, and assign responsibilities to engineers. I also ensure safety procedures are followed during dry dock, particularly when tanks are opened or hot work is performed. My role is to guarantee that the vessel leaves dry dock in optimal condition, compliant with regulations, and ready for commercial service. How do you manage spare parts inventory?
I maintain an updated inventory system, recording usage and reordering critical spares before depletion. I classify spares into essential, frequently used, and emergency categories. I coordinate with the company's purchasing department to ensure timely delivery, considering lead times. I also conduct regular audits to prevent discrepancies and ensure parts are stored properly to avoid damage. Effective inventory management prevents delays and ensures machinery reliability.
What is your approach to budgeting for the engine department?
I prepare annual budgets based on maintenance schedules, spare parts requirements, and fuel consumption forecasts. I monitor expenses closely, ensuring cost efficiency without compromising safety. I negotiate with suppliers for competitive pricing and prioritize spending on critical systems. I also provide transparent reports to shore management, justifying expenditures with technical evidence. My approach balances financial discipline with operational reliability.
How do you ensure compliance with class society requirements?
I maintain updated records of machinery inspections, surveys, and certificates. I coordinate with class surveyors during audits, ensuring machinery is accessible and documentation is complete. I prepare the engine room team for inspections by conducting internal checks beforehand. Compliance with class requirements is essential for vessel certification and insurance validity, so I treat it as a top priority.
Explain your role in energy efficiency management.
I monitor fuel consumption, optimize engine load, and implement energy-saving practices, such as slow steaming when agreed with the captain. I maintain equipment like economizers and purifiers to ensure maximum efficiency. I also record data for the Ship Energy Efficiency Management Plan, CEMP, and cooperate with shore management to meet IMO's Energy Efficiency Existing Ship Index, EEXI, requirements. My role is to balance operational demands with environmental responsibility.
How do you handle communication with shore management?
I provide regular technical reports, including machinery status, fuel consumption, and maintenance updates. I communicate clearly during emergencies, requesting support and spare parts when necessary. I maintain professional relationships with superintendents, ensuring transparency and trust. Effective communication ensures the company can support the vessel efficiently.
What is your role in bunker operations?
I supervise bunker operations, ensuring safety and compliance with MARPOL regulations. I verify fuel quality through sampling, monitor transfer rates, and prevent spills. I record operations in the oil record book and report to the captain. I also ensure crew are trained in emergency response during bunkering. My role is to guarantee safe, efficient, and compliant fuel transfer.
How do you manage waste disposal in compliance with MARPOL?
I ensure oily water separators, incinerators, and sewage treatment plants are operational. I record all discharges in logbooks and train crew on proper waste segregation. I strictly prohibit illegal discharges and conduct regular checks to prevent violations. Compliance with MARPOL protects the environment and avoids severe penalties.
How do you train junior engineers?
I provide structured training, combining theoretical knowledge with practical tasks. I assign them responsibilities gradually, supervise their work, and explain procedures in detail. I encourage them to ask questions and learn from mistakes. I also prepare them for future promotions by teaching leadership and safety culture.
How do you evaluate the performance of your team?
I assess punctuality, technical competence, teamwork, and adherence to safety procedures. I provide constructive feedback, highlighting strengths and areas for improvement. I also recognize achievements to motivate the team. Performance evaluation ensures continuous improvement and readiness for higher responsibilities.
How do you maintain discipline in the engine room?
I enforce company policies, safety rules, and professional conduct. I address violations immediately, reminding crew of their responsibilities. I maintain fairness and consistency, ensuring discipline is respected. A disciplined engine room prevents accidents and promotes efficiency.
How do you prepare for new IMO regulations?
I study upcoming regulations, attend training, and implement changes proactively. I update procedures, train crew, and coordinate with shore management. Compliance is not optional. It is essential for safe and legal operations. Preparing early avoids last-minute challenges.
What is your opinion on digitalization in engine management?
Digitalization improves monitoring, predictive maintenance, and reporting. I support using advanced sensors and software to enhance efficiency. However, I also emphasize the importance of human expertise, as technology cannot replace experience. A balanced approach ensures reliability.
How do you prepare for decarbonization targets?
I implement energy-saving practices, optimize voyage planning, and support the use of alternative fuels. I cooperate with shore management to meet EEXI and CII targets. I also train crew on environmental awareness. Decarbonization is a collective responsibility.
What qualities make you a successful chief engineer?
Discipline, technical expertise, leadership, and communication skills. I combine knowledge with practical experience, ensuring safety and efficiency. I am committed to continuous learning and mentoring others. These qualities allow me to lead the engine department effectively.
Why should we hire you for this position?
You should hire me because I bring extensive experience, proven leadership, and a strong commitment to safety and compliance. I have successfully managed engine departments on large vessels, ensuring operational reliability and environmental responsibility. I am dedicated to mentoring crew, optimizing performance, and supporting company goals. My professionalism and passion for engineering make me a valuable asset to your team.
Thank you for sharing your experience and insights today. Before we conclude, do you have any final remarks or message you would like to leave with us regarding your candidacy for the chief engineer position?
Thank you very much for the opportunity to present myself and discuss my qualifications. I would like to emphasize that I am fully committed to ensuring the safe, efficient, and environmentally responsible operation of your vessel. I am confident that I can contribute positively to your company by maintaining high standards of safety, optimizing performance, and mentoring the next generation of engineers. I look forward to the possibility of joining your team and supporting the success of your fleet.